Hello, this is Ken from Easy Test Pool Supplies, and one of the most important parts of closing your above ground pool is the ice equalizer pillow. When I say this to customers, I usually get two different kinds of pushback. The first being, they pop every year. And the second being, I want to put so many in that the cover never touches the water and it teepees everything off of it. Both of these are wrong. These pillows should be installed centrally in the pool at about 75% inflation. That way when the ice that inevitably forms comes from the outside in, it pushes on this pillow equally on all sides, slowly deflating and taking the pressure of the ice off of the walls. By putting too many of these pillows in, you're actually negating that process and allowing the ice to push on the walls. And if it does pop, congratulations, it saved your pool. This is an inexpensive insurance policy to keep your pool up over the winter. They're available in 3 different sizes, 4x5, 4x8, and 5x15 for different size pools, and they're available at any of our 3 locations or on our website. For any more information, stop by any of our stores or give us a call today. Thanks for watching.